What's up, everybody? It's Meech. Welcome to On the Radar. Currently on today's radar is Diamond Herbs Black Seed Oil. I told you guys in previous videos that as I come across different brands that I think are beneficial, I'm going to bring it to you. I get several brands that send me black seed oil, and I don't always talk about each one because honestly, it's black seed oil and I use black seed oil, so I don't always see a benefit from using what I'm already using. So I don't always talk about it. I don't always even accept everybody that, reaches out. But this one, I did accept it, obviously. I see some benefits, so I want to talk to you about it briefly and just bring it to you guys' attention. Just to let you know what they gave me the 500 milligram caplets. It's 100 caplets in each one, which equals to 45 servings. They gave me the 30 mil, which at 1 teaspoon is 24 servings, and the 118 mil, 1 teaspoon is 96 servings. Each one of the bottles comes with a dropper, so it makes it a little bit easier for, as far as the mess and all of that. It's easier to use, it's easier to get it out, no spilling. The seeds that they use to make the oil is imported from India and Turkey. And as I told you guys in previous videos, depending on where the seeds come from, there's different grades. There's, the lighter versions, there's the mild, then there's the heavier ones. So you have to know which ones you're getting so you know what potency level you're getting of your actual oil. First thing that they said to me is their stuff is pure, it's unrefined. That's the way black seed oil should be. It's cold pressed, it's non-GMO, all that good stuff, no fillers, no added oils. But they did say, which was a key point for me, that it's darker, meaning it's stronger. And they said you're going to notice that our black seed oil is stronger. You'll notice by the color, and it definitely is. The reason why I say it is stronger, as I said, I've been using black seed oil, so I'm already getting all the benefits from it. When I started taking this, I've been using primarily the pills, and I've noticed my sleep has gotten deeper again. And the reason why I say again, for the past month or so, my sleep has been off, and I attribute that to the things that I've been eating. I've been eating some other things that, I wasn't eating before, and I feel like it's messing me up. I've been working on cutting that stuff out, but like I said, I already been using black seed oil. When I started taking these pills from Diamond Herb, I got my sleep back. Every night my dreams are vivid. And, that's what I said when I initially first started taking black seed oil. And other people say it, your dreams are very vivid. But for me, it lasted maybe 2 weeks. And since I started taking this particular black seed oil, it's lasted a little bit longer than that. It's more consistent. Every night, my dreams are very vivid, very detailed. That's how I can see that this stuff is stronger than the other stuff that I've been using. I've been using the oils on my face, obviously, my hair, my scalp. I do that twice a day. It does what it's supposed to do, and it's good stuff. And I like the smell compared to the other brands. I don't like the smell of some of the other brands. Taste it, it is what it is. It's a little bit less harsh than some of the other brands, but it is what it is. It's black seed oil. You got to deal with the taste. But like I said, if you don't really like the taste, use the pills. You're good. You don't have no issues with the taste if you're taking the pills. If you already know what black seed oil does, then you know. If you don't know, I will direct you to my previous videos and you'll get all the information you need. I don't want to keep rehashing all this stuff, but there are tons of proven benefits. And if you don't believe that there are benefits, if you don't want to believe me, because some people are like, oh, there's snake oil and this and that. Listen, you don't have to take my word for it. Go to my previous videos and read the comments. I will link all the videos I have in the description. You can read the comments from hundreds, literally hundreds of other people that are total strangers to me that is telling you, all the different benefits that black seed oil has given them. So don't take my word for it. Take the word of all these other hundreds of total strangers. That's pretty much it. I don't want to give you a long, drawn-out video about this stuff because it is what it is. If you know, you know. If you don't, learn about it. But I definitely recommend checking out this product, and it's definitely legit. This black seed oil from Diamond Herbs is definitely 100% radar approved. So till next time, stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button, show your support, and tune in next time to see what else pops up on the radar. Salute.